Dottie and Jason. Hold on, guys. Because we skipped the arena, we have to run them in the right places, but we were skipping the team. I'm sorry. So we just need to change. They need to come on this side, and the other team needs to go on the other side.
See, I don't know what number they're on, so, you know. When are they skipping a team? Soon, but who knows when.
Aren't you so glad you picked me, honey?
Sorry.
We're gonna change it. This is Alan, Jesse. No, that team's good. Okay, they're just holding that. So in this arena is gonna be Dottie and Jason. In the far arena is gonna be Alex and Jesse. Okay. Light up. 6, 6, 6. No time? Okay, last team out is going to be Alex and Jesse.